So the next thing I need to do is make my body text for my site, which is down here, right? I'm going to fill these boxes. Now, I need dummy text, so I just need text. I need placeholder. I don't want to have to actually type anything out. That'd take too much time, and I don't want to, like just jam at the keyboard because that also takes time. So, real nice little site that's out that exists is this lorem ipsum, and it's just lipsum.com. And there's a little description of it here. I don't know. You could read it if you want, but basically what it's going to do is it's going to generate just dummy text for you, and you'll see some places like will auto generate this for you, like if it's web specific, because it's used quite a bit in order to create dummy text for for design. So I'm going to click on generate lorem ipsum. You can tell me paragraphs and words and stuff. So it's going to give me these 5 paragraphs. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab one of these, grab this thing. I'm just going to go ahead and hit Control C or Command C if I'm on a Mac. And then I will go back here, and now I can use that in here. Okay, so I'm just going to again go to my type tool. I'm going to go up here, and then we're going to choose a font that is good for reading. So typically, what you want to use is a like a sans serif or maybe a serif font. So sans serif, we'll talk about type later a little bit more, but basically. Sans serif is a text that's just the most basic text, and it's very easily read, particularly digitally. Okay, so I'm gonna do sans serif. I'm gonna change this to like, I don't even know. Let's just do 12. It's probably too small, and then we'll just leave it at that color that we had before. And instead of doing what we did last time, where I just clicked, I'm gonna click and drag a box that's going to fit my area here. And now I'm gonna click in here and hit Control V. And that will paste my text in here. Theoretically, it did paste it, but it's not there. That's weird. Oh, because it's underneath the boxes. I don't know how that happened. Okay, let's drag it back up here. There we go. There it is. Right, that looks acceptable. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So let's try 16. Yeah, 16 fits better. Okay, and then what I could do is just do the same thing again, but I'm lazy, so I'm just going to hold Alt and Shift and just click and drag this guy to the other side. All right, and then I'm just going to hold Shift, and what's this guy? Is this nothing? I think these are just empty. I think I just made these when I did that other stuff, so we're going to get rid of those too. I'm going to grab this guy to this guy, just click and hold Shift and click up here, click to make a folder. And then I'm going to rename this folder, and we're going to double click on it to rename it. Come on, there you go. And we're going to call it text. Okay. And then this is obviously our background. We don't really need this background. I'm going to go ahead and just trash that. So we'll just call this background. I don't know why it wouldn't let me color the other background. And then let's just Control minus, and you're going to see that we now have our body text, and we have a very simple site. It's not like particularly great. But we have a mock-up, and I have a general idea of how many columns I want things to be, a rough idea of the height of them, kind of the images, just a real kind of, basic idea. All right. And the next one, what we'll do is we'll save it and, submit it.